Hey guys, this is Carlos.
And Janessa.
We're gonna do a Christmas present unboxing video. This video is made for Simple Living with Papa Joe.
Yeah.
Okay, so he sent me something. I wonder what it is. Guess why? Because it had to be a 21 year of age person to sign for it. What could it be? Let's go. Bring the package up.
It's kind of heavy.
I'm on vacation, guys, so don't mind the hair. Whoa. Okay, no, wait. So do it here. Like through here and then through here. Be easy. Be careful. Okay.
Parent permission. Break the knife.
Okay. Okay, you want me to do the rest?
No. Yeah. How is that so easy for you?
Skills.
No, this way.
Hold on. Wait. That was just the first layer. Really?
Come on. I was excited. I wanted to see something. Don't cut. That's nasty.
Hold on. Let me see.
I don't know how many boxes is so much.
Oh, I'm sure he made it be this way on purpose. Papa Joe doesn't like to keep things simple, except for his channel. Be careful. Be very careful. Look, yeah. Be easy, okay? Sides too. Be careful with your hand. I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous. Okay, here.
Got it. This is scary.
I know it is. Here.
Got it.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Okay, I'll rip it open.
Bring the box this way more.
Where?
Right here. See?
Whoa.
Having some difficulties here.
Oh, come on. Really?
Wow. There is yet a third layer. Not surprised. Really? Wait, move. Just
You just have to dump it. Oh, and this is... And a fourth layering.
Michelob Ultra, you shouldn't
And
have.
a fifth. And a sixth.
No way.
Oh, come on.
Oh. Woohoo.
Platte Valley. Since 18...
Platte Valley?
1856. Straight corn whiskey. I'm mad. I thought it was going to be something good.
Oh, it's good, all right.
I'm disappointed.
Don't be disappointed.
All that boxing for alcohol.
Oh, this is not just any alcohol.
You're not supposed to be...
This literally has been known to turn ears red.
Oh, can I eat it? Drink it?
If you don't stop talking, then you're going to have a shot, and then we're going to have to put you to bed because this will put you to sleep. Trust me, I know.
I need to go to sleep.
Firsthand.
I need a nap.
You need a nap?
Okay.
I can make that happen at any time.
Wait. Can I see it? Can I see it?
No. We cannot open it yet. No.
Why?
No,
I want you to drink some on camera.
I can't drink any on camera right now.
Why?
Because we have places to go, and once I take a shot, I can't leave. Look at that, guys. Platte Valley since 1856, 100% straight corn whiskey.
Okay, so putting this out
Also
there,
known as White Lightning.
putting this out there, we did
Yeah.
we Papa Joe before this.
We did
and
call
he
him.
said no alcohol, but he's never sure. And now I know why he's never sure, because he said no alcohol.
Well,
and here's alcohol.
he's not sure because he probably had a few shots of this, and that just makes anyone unsure.
Okay.
You don't know how to walk, you don't know how to talk, yeah.
That was boring.
It wasn't boring. Not for me, it wasn't. Because I know what's next.
Hopefully when I'm gone.
Well, thank you, Mr. Barr. I appreciate the gift a lot. It's really nice of you to send me such a nice gift. I mean, this is some good stuff. Very good stuff. It's extremely tasty. It's very smooth. It's dangerously smooth, actually, to be honest. But it's all good. We shall drink responsibly, as they say. So,
I'm going to take a drink of it too.
Yeah, she'll have to take a drink of it too.
Hey, I know that face.
All right, guys. Well, hey, listen, happy holidays to everyone. We thank you. We appreciate you for checking out this video. Kind of a first for me to do just a little video here to unbox stuff. Where are you going with that? That's mine.
Go to my room.
She's going to her room with that. All right, guys. Have a great day. We appreciate you. And again, God loves you, and so do we. Drink responsibly. Okay, say bye, Janessa. Peace.